Hi, we're Boozy Bakers and we're bringing you... Hi.
I'm sorry, right, straight.
Hi, we're Boozy Bakers. Oh God. The camera's picking all this up. Right. Hi, we're Boozy Bakers and this is our 12 Days of Christmas countdown. So each day in the lead up to Christmas, we are doing a new recipe or bake for you to enjoy, from mince pies to
palmiers,
biscotti, oh, loads of things. Truffles, all sorts. So some are more for the adults and some the kids can join in. Today, as you can see, is a little one for the adults.
Absolutely.
So I think you've been looking forward to this one. I think it's well deserved. Yes. Right, so we're going to be making some nice mimosas, but we're going to just titubate the glasses and show you how to make a nice frosted glass to wow your guests or just simply enjoy yourself. So you're going to need a bottle of prosecco or champagne, some orange juice. It can be smooth or with bits. I quite like with bits.
I do too. Yeah.
And then some egg white and some sugar. Preferably go for granulated because you want some nice big crystally bits.
Okay.
So all you need to do is get your glass. You ready for this?
I am.
You can do your own.
Okay.
Right. And I've got some egg white, just the egg white, in this ramekin, and I'm just going to dip the rim in, and then in the other bowl I've got some granulated sugar, and I'm just going to dip again. Now I haven't overly filled this bowl, so I might just give it a little bit of a rotate to make sure it picks it up.
That looks so pretty.
Look at that!
Really
How
pretty.
Christmassy. Mr. Boozy Baker, can they see that glass?
Yes.
Oh, now the reason we use egg white is because if you choose to use water, it'll dry and it'll come off. Whereas the egg white, it will stick. It's an edible glue, and it won't harm.
Do you know what?
That's so pretty.
It is pretty, isn't it? But on Christmas morning, I rather like smoked salmon and scrambled eggs. So you've got the egg white, and then you could pop it into.
Yeah, absolutely.
So
you're not wasting it, and the same with the egg yolk. We've got plenty of recipes on YouTube that you can use both of these. And to be honest, because you're not using much, you can, as you said, if you're going to make some scrambled egg or even a cake, the amount you're using isn't a lot. So just put the yolk back with it, and you've got your egg back.
Right.
Go on then.
You made it.
Hang on. Let me just.
You made it look so easy. Let's see. Right.
That's it. And then I'd give that a little bit of a rotate to make sure. I'd just rotate the glass rather than the ramekin. I might find it easier.
I can overcomplicate it, I will.
So if you just move it around a bit into the sugar, that's it. There you go.
Oh yes.
Look at that, it sparkles. So
lovely.
pretty.
It looks like snow or frost.
It does.
Isn't it? Lovely.
So, depending on how confident you are on your pouring, you could put this into a jug first. But what do you think? Orange then Prosecco, or Prosecco then orange?
Orange and then Prosecco.
Orange and then Prosecco, right. So, go half orange, or maybe just a third, because we do like our Prosecco. What do you reckon? About there?
Yeah, lovely. Yeah.
And then fill up with the Prosecco.
That looks so lovely.
And just get it so it just sits under that white frosted rim.
Beautiful.
There we go. Let's put those to one side. There we go, Mum.
Thank you very much.
Merry Christmas.
And to you too.
Merry Christmas, guys. If you like our videos, please do subscribe. And if you've been watching along to all of our Christmas series, then we do have a link to buymeacoffee.com where you can leave us a virtual drink as a thank you. It's not needed, but we're very happy if you do as well. So enjoy your Christmas.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.